Welcome to West Street. Our West Street location is one of King's luxury downtown residences located in the financial district. A 5-minute walk to campus, it's one of your most convenient and comfortable options for housing. West is across the street from scenic Battery Park and the Hudson River Greenway, so you'll be a quick walk from parks and shops all along the water. Let's take a look inside. Each of our buildings offers full-time security. West Street in particular offers full concierge services including dry cleaning and package reception. Check out that ceiling. Let's head upstairs. Welcome to a King's apartment. This unit is a 1-bedroom for 4 students. Every apartment includes a kitchen table, a full-size couch, central air conditioning, and high-speed internet. Wondering what you should bring? Don't worry, we'll provide you with a comprehensive list of what the apartment includes before you start packing. And there's one more thing to show you. Welcome to your front porch, your study space, and your patio. Whatever you use it for, we guarantee no other dorm can give you this view to come home to. I'll stop talking now. Just enjoy the view.